So apparently on this Swiss Army knife is a metal cutting saw blade, which is that one there. Now it looks like a file on each side, and the file's pretty good, but this part here is actually supposed to be a metal cutting saw. So we'll give it a test in a minute. I've put this magazine down to protect my table, make sure I don't scratch it all to pieces, and I'll get some metal and we'll try it. So I've got this small piece here, which is like a bit of coat hanger, so we'll try that first and see if that'll go. I was going to do it in the vise, but then I thought if you was out in the wild you're not actually going to have a vise, so at best you might be able to rest it on a piece of wood or something. Well, that's nearly through there, so it will cut metal, but it's a bit slow. Well, it kind of cut through it. Well, it did cut through it, but only just. Took a while. So now I'll try it with, this is a crossbow bolt, which could be a bit of a nightmare getting through this, because once you seem to get inside the hollow part, it doesn't want to go anymore. But we'll give it a go. So we're nearly breaking through. Once you get to that part, so it's broke through now. Once you get to there and the saw is trying to cut through both sides, it doesn't seem to want to cut through so much. But I suppose you could keep going round it. Keep going round it like that until you've cut it. But I don't know about that. Right, so the last one I'll try, a nail sticking out this bit of wood. I'll give that a go and see how it works. Well, Swiss Army knife, well cut metal. It's a bit of a struggle, but if that's all you had, then That might be right. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.